Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by isolating the problem areas. Find the clip with the strongest green cast and duplicate the layer or node so you preserve the original. Next, apply the green color corrector effect and choose a neutral sampling point. This helps you see true shifts. Once done, reduce preview resolution to 1/4 or 1/8 for smoother scrub performance, and make a mild first adjustment. Pull the green slider down just enough to bring skin tones closer to neutral. Now you refine. Use an HSL key or secondary qualifier to isolate the green hues rather than correcting the whole image. Make the selection tight on hue but soft on edges. Apply about 10 to 25% feather and add a small denoise if edges flicker. Then lower the green channel and nudge magenta or red up a bit to rebalance skin tones. Keep an eye on the vector scope and parade to ensure highlights and shadows stay consistent and you don't crush contrast. Finish by comparing A and B. Toggle the corrected layer on and off to confirm you've removed green without introducing new artifacts. Make small global lift/gamma/gain tweaks if the correction altered perceived exposure, and use masks to limit fixes to affected areas. If you see banding or posterization after heavy correction, apply a tiny blur or 8-bit dither and re-export. That one troubleshooting step usually smooths gradients and preserves your corrected color while keeping detail intact.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.